Where are we?
Where are we again?
We lost in the woods.
Are you serious? Okay, what do we do? Oh, let's see. Yeah.
Hammer. Okay.
Bro, what is...
Is that a bunny foot? Wait, that's a... Ooh.
Oh, yep.
Wait, that's...
Oh,
Wait. Let's share. Okay. I'll slice in half. I'll eat it in half. And you go.
you slice the sandwich. No.
We need to find the dragon kid.
Who's that? Bro, wait, I forgot I had the strong... Wait, the old axe.
Woo!
What is... I got it.
Okay.
Bro, I got one.
Wait to see the map. Okay.
Okay, where are we going? Oh, wait, look at that.
Where?
Over there.
It's like that's a dino kid.
Okay, let's go there. What is this?
Okay.
Oh, no.
That's hard. Okay. Where's the dragon kid? Where are you?
I think he's... Bro, where's dragon? Oh, no.
Oh!
Hey,
Use the axe. Okay. Not that. Okay. Where's the dino kid? He's lost?
bro, look what I found.
Oh.
Gas tank.
I'll hold this. Where should we go? We forgot, bro. I want to see the map.
Wait, if that's the stronghold, we're gonna be going here.
I'm not put here. You're going? How are you gonna survive?
Wait, remember we have an axe?
Oh yeah. We're gonna find. I'm gonna find Dino Kid. You're gonna find the.
We found them.
Finally.
Huh? What is this cage?
Something's wrong. Not that. Wait a second. That's not a Dino Kid. Oh, that's a Dino Kid. Dino Kid.
No.
Wait,
It's not Dino Kid.
that's a Dragon Kid.
It's not the dragon.
Then what is that? I must see. What? Okay.
Okay, the period. Oh,
What is this place? A treasure?
You have boomerang your axe.
I got the axe. Look out.
That's a strong axe.
Yeah. Okay, now.
Una.
Okay, need the... What's...
Oh! Bro,
What's
what I
that?
got?
Oh,
A legendary gun.
legendary gun.
That's working.
This morning.
It's working.
Oh, how are we gonna fight Dino Kid? Wait, no. Dragon Kid. How?
Wait.
No, not this again.
Give me all.
Okay. Flamingo!
Flamingo Kid.
You save him.
Get back to your cage.
He's gone again.
He's over there.
Oh. Where's the Dino Kid?
Wait, check the map. If Squid gets there. Wait. But remember Dino Kid was here?
Yeah. Wait, it's over here. Bruh. How am I?
Wait, Dino Kid.
The Dino Kid was here. Why? Why did you?
He was there.
Yeah.
Let's get him. Wait, I
Bruh,
forgot my
why
legendary gun.
didn't you believe me? It was here. Bro, bro, my axe is, bro, I just throw an axe and it just left over that here. Kill him.
Super attack. Oh, ninja. Super Kung Fu.
Kung Fu Panda.
Super Cat.
Backflip! Panda.
You're Yuko Kalaka.
Bro, what is that? There's two of us.
You cannot hide.
That's the last one.
Yes.
Ah! Backflip? Ah. Dino Kid! Why did you believe me it was here?
For the worst.
Okay. Oh,
We're square.
Squid Game? Bro!
Oh, where was squid?
Okay, where's the treasure? Bruh, nothing. We need the wolf pelt. Wolf pelt. Wait, no. Oh yeah. We need the wolf, I meant wolf corpse.
What? It's just spelled, bro. We found that.
Oh. Okay, there we go.
You got.
Sa Kolaka. Squid Game, try mo, kid. What is that?
You got a spear.
A span? That's too long. How can I touch it? How can I grab it?
We just got it.
Wait, how can I grab it? I can't. Oh, there we go.
Bro, that's the powerful spear.
I know it.
Oh no, the boss fight. To get away. Bro, wait. They just put it there. Squid isn't real. Hey,
Is that a fake Squid Game?
bro, he wasn't
No.
real. You have his key. Yes, bro, you forgot them.
Ah! Dino Kid!
Bro, come on, get them.
Flamingo Kid!